kubuka sengathi uhlanya ke ilona olunikwa imbazo kulokhu elugawela ngisho umthunzi. Isibhamu ke lidubula libhekise ngakulona. Human design itholwe abanye ke bokuchazela uyuzuyizwe. Yabona lama professions enawo good people, human civilization, konke lokho esikwenzayo to make our lives better. Lezo zinto lezo ithina ezizaziyo. I-universe create umthetho, iwumthetho, thina we are using those laws to create and procreate, siqhubekele phambili. We are using the laws. So ayihlangene kangako ku-universe ukuthi wenzani. Wena you just receive the inspiration and then you do what you need to do. But lokho ke la engikhona njengoba ngisho lento ngila ekuthenini kunento ekuthiwa i-incarnation cross lapha ku-human design ekuyiyona eshoyo ukuthi ithini irole yakho njengobulawo uzonzani la. Uphethe yiphi wena irole, uphethe yiphi energetic flavor, overall the background frequency in your life. It has nothing to do with the profession and all these things lezi ngama-passions eningazithola nikuyona lokho kwakho lokho. But lento ukuze ngiyichaze kahle ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasha othi ngenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli uyabona. Whether when you become a nurse or you become a sound engineer or you become a TV presenter, lokho akusho lutho. When it comes to incarnation cross, it's what you are here. It's the frequency that you bring. Yes, you are going to bring that frequency. You are going to play that role. We field na we passion ozithola wena ukuyona. Yes, ayinawenza nalutho ne-profession incarnation cross nento like esingayikhomba ukuthi wena uzoba iliphoyisa, wena uzoba umlimi, wena uzoba umfuyi. Isho ukuthi wherever you find yourself at, you are going to bring this flavor with you. Let me make an example. Une right angle cross of what unexpected, right angle cross of unexpected as your soul purpose or as your incarnation cross why you are here. Obviously in your life lapho uzoba umuntu la uzithola ukhona noma ngabe kuthi uzithola ukuphi in your life, uzoba umuntu that is able to handle unexpected situations with calm and ease. Yabo, you are well suited where there are emergencies. Yabo, EMTs, emergency support. So you navigate unexpected disturbances and unforeseeable circumstances with ease because you have this combination of gates, for those 4 gates in your incarnation cross. So isn't this unexpected? Uyithola usuba in charge unexpectedly. It's what is going to happen time to time, and you uzoba weza abantu with ease and calm and calmness, yabo, because it's part of your incarnation cross of why you are here, yabo. You will be someone who will be able to delegate and oversee and be in charge uma ngabe kufika ikhathi zama turbulences, because that's what you are here to do wherever you find yourself at or whatever passion you find yourself doing, yabo. It has nothing to do with it. It's a frequency that you bring here in this world, yabo. Uyayithola leyo. Uthola ukuthi mhlawumbe une cross of explanation, right angle cross of explanation. Leyo nto iyachaza njengoba lisho igama explanation. So surely when now you are here to explain things, you are here to explain change, you are here to explain things to make sense to people, to explain new things, change to make sense why we need this change. So you'll find yourself sometimes you find yourself landing with teaching, uba pulled with teaching, uba pulled kula kulezi indawo lezi ezokwenza ukuthi you find explain ngoba uzothola kulesibonelo sokuqala engisishilo thothi umuntu uzithola eseyindaweni la khona mhlawumbe iba iphoyisa noma eba yisosha noma eba isicishamlilo noma yabo, but noma engaba yini noma engazithola ujele kodwa lapha khona leyo frequency izobe ikhona, noma engabe ubusinessman kodwa unexpected situation will be able to mitigate them. Yes, that is the frequency. I-universe ayinendaba ne-profession yakho, inendaba nale frequency oyilethayo, because i-universe ifuna ukuthi nina nisizane, ni-elevate, nikhula nonke ndawonye. Ukuthi nikhula kanjani-ke, nisebenzisane, hayi i-universe lapha ingene, ngoba wena you just download the inspiration with how am I going to use my energy. What, like, ngoba i-profession nomsebenzi ne-passion ozithola wena ukuyona, it's a vehicle through which you manifest this frequency. Ayizwa lonto? Yipho konje le kade ngithi ngiyayenza le explanation. Yeah, I've said it. Mangithi right angle cross, obviously we are here for a self discovery. Uhambo lakho is personal and self discovery, and lonto le isho ukuthi you are going to discover things, and we are the one who is going to change your life trajectory, and your destiny and fate only depends on you discovering yourself and discovering things on your own, rather than ukuthi kube khona abantu that are going to come and help you to do that, or other way around. It's not transpersonal karma, it's only you. That is why I told you sometimes it's like people like mangabe ukuthi ukulento awakening, and like we are trying to live as authentic as possible. So some people abakutholi, you try to explain things to them because we are personal. It's a right angle cross. It doesn't involve people so much, because there are very few selected people ongakwazi to get along with bekuthola, but many of them, like, it's like wedwa ngisho umuntu ngamchazela nihamba kabili kathathu uhambweni umbone sekushila ubone ukuthi lento beyize kimi kahle kahle. So because uhambo lakho vele you are right angle cross, lu personal, alukho transpersonal. It has nothing to do more about other people, it has to do more about you. Yabo, just like me as a sleeping phoenix, human design ikhulumeka kalula uma uzokhuluma from the angle where we are standing at. Yabo, because if you are talking on behalf of another person, we are only just putting yourself into those shoes, into shoes of that person, into the shoes of that person. Hey, akuyona vele language yami, you know, not my vernacular language. Njengisebenzisa uMageba manje uzifaka ezicathulweni zalowo muntu okhuluma ngaye, awuyena, uyacabanga ukuthi kunjani ukuba uyena, kunjalo ke. Yabo, that is why abanye abantu mabehlola uthola ukuthi bathi bayahlola bayagula baguliswa into zabantu ngoba melithi ayiswalwisha lento abe ilo ngali. So thina ke nathi suke sizama ukumitigate lapho ukuthi how it feels like to be you, ukuba kwi cross of this. My cross is this cross of sleeping phoenix. I'm here to rise from ashes and be myself and be busy and be an individual, and that's what is exactly happening. Yabo, yeah. Incarnation cross ileyo nje mfethu, and isuke isazodidiyelwa nanokuthi wena ke uyi-projector yini noma uyi-generator. Obviously ke lapho sesikhuluma ngokuthi ke umuva kanjani ke strategy and authority. Uma uthi wena uyi-projector, obviously you need to be recognized ukuthi wena you are able to explain things, and then you are being called and invited to explain. You don't put yourself, you don't shove things to people, into people's throats. Yabo, explain izinto, giving advice uninvitedly, so because they may not land well and you may be rejected and you feel bitter. Yabo, so you are a generator. You need to wait for to respond to something before you engage your energy, because you are an energy type. Yabo, so you are responding. Yabo, you are responding to something with whatever strategy, with your sacral. I mean, it blends together. If you don't follow your strategy and authority, you're not going to fulfill your purpose. Purposeless. You don't know what you are here for, because when now you're always thinking, you're always calculating, you're always like You want things to happen your own way. You don't want to wait